right, so just a quick little update. Everything's kind of moving really fast. So far we have the water tank completely hooked up right there. It's going to be ran by propane. Then we have our water inlet right there, which is going to run straight into this 100-gallon water tank that's going to be underneath the back bed in the master bedroom. Just have to hook up all these little components and hoses, everything like that, to run inside the tank. So let's get into that. So just to give a quick little rundown of what we completed so far, we ran all the 1/2-inch PEX through the walls to our hot water heater, ran all the components from the inlet into the 100-gallon water tank right here. We ran the PEX from out of the hot water heater, created this little channel, which you're not going to see anyways because the bed's going to be built over it, so you're not going to see any of this. It's going to be covered, doesn't matter. And then we have it going up into the wall for our shower right here, which we still have to buy the valve for. So everything's running smooth. Let's get back to it.
So I just mounted the water pump and the accumulator. Let me give you a little rundown on how the system works. The water comes in right here, goes into the water tank, goes out of the water tank, through the water pump, through the accumulator, into the water heater, and then throughout the entire rest of the system.
So as you can see, I got the unistrut all painted up to protect it from rust and anything like that. These are going to be oriented like this underneath the gray tanks. And then the all thread will be running through it and bolted into the frame of the bus itself to help really support it. So as you can see, we got the unistrut in place. We got the pressure treated decking right here in place. We got the eye bolts right here. That's gonna be for our strap that goes over the top of the tank just to secure it. So it's gonna attach to the other side. And now we're gonna put our P-trap up where the shower drain is. Let's go. So all the plumbing is done. As you can see there, it goes straight down to the top of the tank. Got the all thread all bolted up, got the unistrut running across, got the ratchet strap just for extra precaution. Now it's time to do the waste valve here. I already did a 1/2 inch plug right here, a little PVC plug, and then this is for the vent, which will be just strapped up somewhere. Now I'm gonna install this little guy. That's gonna wrap it up for this episode. All the major components of the water system are done and they're working awesome. We just have some small details to work out later, such as when the vanities are installed and when the shower is completed. Other than that, everything's running smooth. And I'm gonna link all the products that we use in the description below. If you haven't already, as always, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification because you're not gonna wanna miss the next episode with something very exciting. It's on the outside of the bus. So make sure you stay tuned.